really makes the business scale faster. It is not just a strategy, not just a marketing. The real game changer is culture. I am Sunita Pednekar, your business coach. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the second pillar, which is culture, which is often neglected but very, very essential if you want to build a business which is without chaos. And this pillar is culture. Here is the truth. Business gives you GPS, but your culture gives you engine. You could have the best roadmap, but without people aligned, energetic, and motivated, your business will not scale faster. What is culture? Culture is not what is written on your website. Culture is all about what people think, act when no one is watching them. Culture is all about how your employees treat your customers. How do they manage chaos? And what do they do when they have to take decisions? Strong culture does not require control or micromanagement. It builds when people take ownership and they work with pride. Culture is that strong glue which keeps your team together when things get tough. When culture is aligned with the mission, it helps your organization in 4 ways. People trust each other, which speeds up decision making. Culture brings accountability naturally and not forced by others. Culture also helps you to bring leaders from within, and it builds momentum for your business. Culture builds resilience. When things get difficult, I know it will happen. It allows your team to decide whether they will freeze or fight it together. How do you know your culture is not working for you? You can see few signs like people blaming each other, not taking responsibility, delays happening, customers complaining. These are simple systems which does not talk about skills, but it is about culture. When your people perform only when you're watching, culture is a problem. When there are no innovations happening, culture is a problem. When people don't take responsibility, culture is a problem. And when people don't speak up, culture is a problem. So if you want a growth in your business, you must ensure that your culture supports your growth. The fourth is how you build the culture. The good news is that you can build the culture and rebuild it. Step 1, set the foundation. You need to decide the values, not vague words. It must be delivered in daily behavior. For example, take ownership. Think client first, and urgency matters. Step 2, model the behavior. Culture flows from top. When you are late to office, people are watching you. If you take shortcuts, they will notice. If you want discipline, be disciplined. You want clarity, communicate with clarity. Step 3, reinforce it daily. Culture is not that once you set, it will remain. It requires reinforcement on daily. For example, the culture is all about what is the behavior that you want to reinforce in your daily conversation, meetings, and even with your client. Step 4, build it with right people. Let go of toxic performers because they do more damage than doing good for your business. Culture is not an event. It is built in every day, every interaction. Why culture is important for scaling? If you want to grow and stay out of your daily operation, then culture is the only key for you. Remember, when you're not in the room, it is not your strategy, not your system, but your people will help you grow your business. And if your people believe in your mission, trust each other, and hold each other accountable, your business grows faster. And that is why culture is not the soft stuff, it is the core stuff for making your business grow faster. Your culture is your business model in motion. If this video has helped you to reframe the role of culture in your organization, then hit subscribe and share it with someone who's building the culture in their organization. And also, don't forget to watch the other videos in this 5-pillar series that will help you to grow your business smarter, faster, and making you independent.